Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing okay. In today's video, we'll review how to draw a hollow square. This will be coded in Python and it will have 5 columns and 5 rows. Then I'm going to be using, for that matter, a couple of for loops. One to handle the columns and the other one will be in charge of the rows. As you can see, both of them starts in 0 and also ends in 4. So I'm going to write down right here, just inside of the parentheses next to the range statement, a number 5. It will be indicating to Python starts in 0 and ending in the number 4. Just one number before the one that you put right here in the parentheses. Another thing that we have to keep in mind is the order that you write down the for loops in your code matters a lot. This is the order that we will be using. First, I need to handle the rows, and inside the rows, I'm going to be using the for the columns. This is because, imagine you are already in the number 0, you are inside the for to the rows, and the for the columns needs to iterate over each one of them until it reaches the number 4. After that, the for the rows has to increase a number 1, and it will be increased by 1, so it will have the 4 columns iterating again over one of each column. Very good. Okay, let's code this little program. It will be very easy to do. So let's start with the first 4, the one that is for the rows, and I'm going to name the variable row just to keep in track of each of the for what is each one of them. And remember, I'm going to put the number 5 here. After that, I'm going to use an if statement. This one is pretty easy, just to indicate to Python that if I'm in the first or the last row, I need to write down 5 asterisks. So if row equals to 0 or row equals to 4, remember this is the last row, I need to print 5 of the asterisk. So I'm going to write down the asterisk and leave a space here. After that, I'm going to multiply by 5, and after that I need to avoid a new line. That's why I'm going to use this statement, and equals and the quotations marks right here. Okay, after that I need to do something for the rows that are numbered by 1, 2, and 3. So for that, I'm going to be using the else statement, else, and I need to call now the for dedicated to the columns. So for column in range. Also here I named the variable column the counter for the for loop to keep track of each one of them, and also 5. And after that, I need to use another if statement. This one will be useful to indicate to Python if you are in the first column or the last one, please print an asterisk, and it will be all. So very easy. Also, if column equals 0 or column equals 4, then the thing that we have to execute is just print an asterisk, a single one. That's why I'm not going to use the multiplication here. Also, I'm going to leave a little space between the asterisk and the quotation mark, and also I need to avoid the new line, so let's use and the quotations mark. After that, let's use the else this else will be helpful to handle the columns 1, 2, and 3. So what I need to do is practically nothing. I don't need to print anything here, so I'm just going to put the quotations mark and a space inside of them. So I'm going to write down also the end. This is for avoiding the new line, and let's put a space here. And after that, I need to already use a single line, a new line, sorry. So I need to print something, but I'm already in the same distance as the else statement and the if statement. So when I need to change the number of the row, I'm going to use a print. So this will be helpful to get a new line. So just when I change the number of the row, this statement will be executed. Okay, let's execute the code and see if everything is okay. It's working. Oh, okay, it worked very well. So this is our alternative. Perhaps you have another code, or maybe you think of another solution. You can write down in the comment section down below. It will be very helpful and very nice to know another way to solve it. And if you like the video, maybe you can consider subscribe to the channel. We'll be uploading tons of Python videos. Hopefully you will like and enjoy them. And also, if you could help us giving us a like, I would appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and until the next time. Bye.